If you want to make your WordPress site more interactive and visually engaging, adding an image compare feature is a great way to do it. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use the image compare tool in WordPress so you can show before and after images or side-by-side comparisons in a smooth, professional way. To get started, open your web browser and head to the WordPress website. At the top right of the page, you'll see the login option. Click on it to continue. You can choose whichever login method you prefer, but in this example, we're using a Google account. Selecting the Continue with Google option makes the process quick and removes the need to remember another password. Once the list of your Google accounts appears, choose the one you want to use for WordPress and wait for the verification to complete. After you're signed in, look for the Quick Links section on your dashboard. Here you'll find an option called Edit Site. This is where you control the layout, design, and content of your website. Click on Edit Site to enter the editing environment. Inside the editor, locate your website and click on it to open the design workspace. Now look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice a plus icon. This button allows you to add new elements to your page. Go ahead and click it, and a search bar will appear to help you find different blocks and features. In the search bar, type Image Compare. WordPress will filter the results and show you the image compare block. When it appears, click on it to place it on your page. You'll now see the image compare tool added to your layout and ready for customization. The next step is adding the two images you want to compare. You can upload files from your computer or select images that are already in your WordPress media library. Choose images that work well visually when placed side by side, such as before and after photos, product comparisons, or design improvements. Take a moment to make sure they fit the look you're going for. Once your images are in place, you can adjust their positioning and make sure the comparison slider looks clean and professional. After you're satisfied with how everything appears, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Save button. Saving your work ensures the image comparison feature becomes a live part of your website, and that's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've added an interactive image compare tool to your WordPress site. It's a simple upgrade that instantly improves the way your visitors view and interact with your content. Enjoy the new functionality and feel free to explore more features to continue enhancing your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, stay tuned for more WordPress tips and walkthroughs.